Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can approve or reject workflow records in Microsoft Dynamics 365. So let's get started. Microsoft Dynamics 365 allows managers and approvers to review records such as expense reports through the workflow system. This helps ensure that requests are properly reviewed before being processed. To reject a record, first open the workflow item you want to review and select the record. From the Action pane, click Workflow and then choose Reject. A rejection window will appear where you can enter comments explaining why the record is being rejected. After entering your comments, click Reject. The record will be sent back to the original submitter with a rejected status. The submitter can view your comments to understand the reason for the rejection and make any necessary corrections before resubmitting the request. To approve a record, select the workflow item and click Workflow from the Action pane. Then choose Approve. An approval window will open where you can optionally add comments regarding your approval decision. Once you've entered your comments, click Approve. The record will be marked as approved, and the submitter will be able to view any comments you included. Depending on the workflow process, the approved record may move to the next approval stage or continue to processing. For example, if the record is an expense report, approving it allows the expense claim to move forward for payment processing. This ensures employees can be reimbursed according to your organization's approval procedures. Using workflow approvals and rejections in Dynamics 365 helps maintain accurate records, improves accountability, and streamlines business processes across your organization. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.